Have you been enjoying being human? Have you truly, for a moment, stopped and begun to enjoy every bit of essence of being human? I invite you to stop for the first time. Allow your eyes to close. Stop everything that you're doing. And join me within the vastness of your being for the first time. And go so deep inside you to the center point, deep, 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 all the way to the center point of your body. Feel the sensation of being inside you. Feel the vastness of you. Now go deeper than that. Deeper than the density of your body. Go deeper and deeper and deeper through time, through space, through dimensions, deeper and deeper and deeper. Deeper and deeper and deeper, moving fast as if you were light. And going deeper and deeper and deeper inside you until you lose track of time. And going deeper and deeper and deeper and deeper inside into the infinite void of you. And ask yourself, how could you fit into a small body in the 3D world? Now that is an expensive question. I invite you to ask yourself this week. And comment below with your answers. We all have a piece of the ascension puzzle. Until the next time.